Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your order on Footlocker, right? So first of all, of course, you have to install it from the Play Store if you're using Android, or you can just download it from the App Store if you're using an iPhone, right? So here, once you open the Footlocker mobile application, right? If you just go to my account, let me show you, okay? Once you go to your account here, you have to just sign in, okay? I mean, if you are already have an account over it, of course, you have to sign in. Once you sign in, you will able to see that here my orders, right? So if you can just click on the my orders, and here it will show you my orders. And once you click on, for example, here, let's say that here there is a one sneaker, right? You can just tap on it, right? Once you tap on it, it will show here in the bottom to track your order, right? So if you click on it, it will show you all the details, right, where your product has reached, whether it has came out of from the shipment or everything, right? So it will give you all the details. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.